In this video, I'm going to tell real quick what AI is. At its fundamental level, it's multiplication and addition. It consists of dot products and matrix multiplication, but the matrix multiplication is just groups of dot products, and the dot products are multiplication and addition. So at its fundamental, AI is multiplication and addition. It does lots of those rapidly. If you remember seeing the illustrations of dots and lines connecting other dots, and the point of training AI is to get those lines adjusted correct. Those are the connections between the neurons. The dots are the neurons. And what they are in actual real life is a comma separated value file. Basically numbers. You might have like 2.043, comma, 7.29, comma, negative 3.41, and something like that. And that's what the actual, I guess you'd say, the brains of AI is a comma separated value of numbers. And it's, that concept's relatively simple. It gets more complex though whenever you say, how do you get those numbers correct? That's where you involve loss functions, derivatives, and gradients. So partly what you do is you make the neural network or the AI guess, then you see how far off it is from the correct answer. Like if you're teaching somebody to like what a picture of a giraffe is, and like somebody that's not used to English or something similar, and you say, this is a giraffe, and they might say something that sounds a little bit like it, but it's probably off to begin with. And then after repetition for a while, they start getting closer and closer to the answer because they narrow that gap and they figure out how to pronounce it plainer. So that's kind of what AI does, is when you're training it, you show it what the answer should be. It sees how far off it is, and then it makes adjustments with gradient descent using partial derivatives and so on. And it makes the far offness get less and less. So it gets closer and closer to the correct answer. So that's pretty much how you train AI. And that's at the foundation of nearly all stuff like ChatGPT and computer vision and so on. So that's a quick summary of what AI is, and thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe.